There are things that are green, like the grass, or that weird broccoli dish that your grandma cooks for you on Thanksgiving. And then there are things that are green, like good for the environment, and good for your pocketbook. Like PAX, Green Revolution's Commercial and Industrial Energy Management Solution. PAX stands for Power, Application, Correction, System. PAX is green, in a good way, not green like grandma. But how green is PAX green? Easy. PAX uses well-known power-saving technology that has been in use for decades. The trusted technology behind PAX actively helps to increase the efficiency of your electrical system. PAX comes with an industry-leading 8% savings guarantee. See a reduction in usage of 8% within the first year or your money back. And, in addition, a lifetime warranty is offered with all PAX installations. PAX uses capacitance to help increase the efficiency of AC motors and pumps that run every day throughout your business. High-use AC motors, found on pumps, conveyors, HVAC, refrigeration, etc., are responsible in some businesses for up to 90% of energy consumption. PAX can help increase the efficiency of these motors, as well as reduce additional costs and penalties that come with running inefficient AC motors. Several key areas that PAX influences: power factor, peak demand charges, motor life, harmonics, line losses, carbon footprint. With PAX, you can track your savings. After the installation of PAX, Green Revolution starts a 1-year relationship with each client. Client electric bills are obtained to establish a baseline usage, and each month following installation, additional bills are obtained. At the end of each month, all of the usage data is presented to the client in an easy-to-understand format, allowing you to see exactly what you've saved, where you've saved, and even how you've saved. With rapid ROI, typically between 18 to 24 months, the highest quality components available and easy installation, PAX isn't just any green, it's smart green. PAX is also red, white, and blue, made in the USA. Join these companies: McDonald's, ShopRite, Siemens, Praxair, Heinz, L'Oreal, Tiffany & Company, Tim Hortons, Zaxby's, Toyota, Holiday Inn, and hundreds more, who impress their customers, employees, and shareholders by being environmentally friendly and realizing increased profits. With PAX, you can turn your competition green with envy. See what PAX can save your business. Contact us today for a no-obligation savings evaluation. Green Revolution. The right unit installed the right way for the right reasons.